This brand new interactive book, superior to the angels, How to Paint Rublev's Trinity, an interactive manual, is an ambitious project in the field of iconography that merges the traditional book with new images and online tutorial videos. This book takes the reader through the process of recreating perhaps the most famous Russian icon ever produced, the icon of the Trinity, depicting three angels who visited Abraham at the Oak of Mamre, painted in the 15th century by Andrej Rublev. Alongside the traditional text, readers will find the links to an annual subscription to the www.wimtv.com site and the educational material at www.ilsegnodigione.it and to YouTube, in which noted Italian priest and iconographer Don Gianluca Busi gives precious lessons on the art of painting icons. The book also offers the opportunity to follow an online icon course with a virtual teacher instructing how to paint an icon. This book is divided into two parts, the first being mostly theoretical, and the second part the actual manual, which goes step by step over all the elements, from the first drawing sketch to the colors to the sequences of images and the interactive films that allow for a certified copy of the Trinity of Rublev to be made from start to finish.